This is a 1948 Mark IV Jaguar, or as they were first known when they came out, an SS 1.5 litre Saloon. I'm inspecting the car with the hope to buy it, but the deal isn't done yet. It's been fully restored and it's got a really good background and history, and I'm loving going through the car and looking at it. But before I buy it or make an offer, we're going to have to test drive it. So let's hop in with the owner and go for a spin.
Hesitate? Oh, that's hard. Going into third for some reason or another, it's hard.
Yeah. Nice.
Double shuffles into second, really easy.
Yeah, I love that.
We'll only go down the middle. I've got the lights on.
Night run.
You'll do it too. Just got to watch out for Skippy down here too. On the left, this straight on the left, he's always hanging around. Yeah, that was really perfect. Gear change.
Nice. This isn't like buying a normal car. This is a passion. It's not a transaction. So I've spent lots of time with John, the owner, and we are looking like we're going to be able to purchase the car. So we've done all the paperwork, we've transferred the ownership, and we've bought it unregistered. So it is now coming to our place on the back of a tow truck. It will be arriving just as the sun's setting, and I'm so excited at this point as I follow one of my dream cars back to my own house. Yeah. It's back. I spent way too long with it on the first night in the shed. We're showing the kids, and some family's going to come around, my parents and friends, and see the car tomorrow. So let's take it for a little test drive up the street.
You can't put your window up. Here we go. Here we go.
You do feel a bit like royalty sitting there, like having the front back. And it is very comfortable. I just can't believe the attention to detail.
Yeah, it's a lot of work.
Everything I look at, you go,
Time to take my wife for a spin as well. She's been washed. Tyre pressures are all done, all good. Now it's time for a little polish and a bit of chrome polish. Maybe a vacuum. This is so much more than just a car. This is a point in time, a history, and I can't wait to share it with you. Up next though, we'll do a walkthrough, and then I have to give it its first service before we take it for its first big drive.